Okay, I was thinking if you're going to write some code, we should write it in our own text editors and be able to play it in the browser. So the first question is going to be, where can you type your code? And as people have been doing it for a while, they're going to get some sort of a special program for it, an IDE, but you just need a text editor. But the text editor has to be a very plain text editor. So I'm going to show you, I'm on a Mac, and if I call up a program called TextEdit, then if I create a new document and I write something in it like this, and then I want to save that document, and if I just go ahead and save it, test1, now I want to show you what that really looks like. In most text editors, you're going to get like formatting stuff that you don't want. So when I look at this in like a better text editor, you'll see that what I actually wrote has all kinds of junk in it. And you're not going to want that if you're doing any coding. So if you have a text editor, and Notepad will do plain, you just don't want it to be rich text or something like that. If I set my preferences to plain text and then I do another document, I think just close that, and then new, and in plain I type something else like this, and then I save it, and I can do test 2, and you'll see I have an option here for some different encodings, and you don't have to know what any of this is, but UTF-8 is fine, but it is not in rich text, it's in plain text, as I said before. Now, it'll have the extension TXT by default, and that's going to be common across a lot of text editors, but we're actually going to be doing this on web pages, so I'm going to save it as HTML. That's not going to change anything inside it. So I save it, and it asks me, do I really want to do that as HTML and not text? And I do. And then when I look at it on this other text editor that tells you really what's in it, you'll see it just shows the quote. So you're going to want to, if you don't have some kind of an IDE, which you probably don't, then you want to do it on Notepad or something like this text edit where you can set it to plain text, but definitely not in something like Word, which is going to have all kinds of hidden formatting in it. All right, that is all for now.